All right, we're here today. We had a huge storm come through and knocked a really nice big cherry tree, a wild cherry, on top of our chicken coop. This thing came out at the roots. And that was a really big tree. And I think it landed kind of softly the way that it tilted out, because it didn't do a ton of damage to this building, from what I can tell. So it dented some trims and some of that, but I'm pretty confident I can get those straightened out or put new ones on pretty easily. But that tree is like right above us, and so that's going to take quite a bit to not smash this entire gate. Just going to peck around a little bit. I'm going to see what works, what feels safe. I don't want to lift this tree up and then have it tip back the other way on another building or on me. So we'll just take this one nice and slow. I'm not going to hammer down until we understand a little bit better what we're dealing with. But that is a lot of weight. There must have been some straight line winds that hit, because right over there, that's an oak tree. See if I can zoom in, but oh my goodness, that just snapped that dude right off at the top. So we must have got pelted. All right, well, let's get into it and start exploring what options we have. Okay, I'm gonna go get the backhoe. I'm gonna see if that back arm will actually open up and go up. It's an extended boom. I don't know. Again, I'm just trying to get my bearings on what my equipment's even capable of reaching at this point. So we'll go back here and get the backhoe. Got that branch cleared out of the way. That should allow me more movement to swing that tree and set it down on the ground. patch there. I don't know. Let's see if we can get some, see if we can clean that up a little bit, maybe make it look a little nicer. I'll probably end up replacing, whoops, I'll end up replacing this top piece, probably this side piece, and we'll see, maybe I can bend that other one in. There's a lot to take apart if you do it any other way. Let's go look at the roof. I brought a ladder out here. But, yeah, heck, it didn't touch the roof. Just that end rake. So, yeah, very fortunate. The Vermeer did great again, so